today's video, I'm excited to share another brand new update, free ton news. That is a mining update. At the end of this video, make sure you stick to me from the beginning of this video to the end, because at the end, I'm going to show you the withdrawal proof of what I withdraw, and it has been sent to my wallet. So you see, this is the update. This one you are seeing here is the update. So when you click on the link in the comment section, I'll be leaving the link in the comment section. So if you click on the link, if you come, click on start. After click on start, click on go live. If you click on that go live, that's where you will start mining. So this one is very easy. You can come anytime to come and claim it, like anytime you want to come and claim it, but it have a daily check-in. So you can decide to come and check in daily, or you can decide to just ignore the daily check-in. Alright, so don't forget, share the video, like it, comment, save it to watch later. So you see this place showing, that's where your daily check-in is. So if you click on it, you are going to see your daily check-in, like to check in daily and earn some ton. So if you see here, if you click on it, if you complete the 7 days, you are going to earn a complete 10 ton. So you see it here. So this is the withdrawal. You can upgrade it to increase your mining, but I don't advise you to upgrade anything, because we don't know when they are going to stop paying. So let's use the free method. So you see here, this is the withdrawal. If you want to withdraw, you can withdraw it anytime and anyway. So I'm going to show you my withdrawal proof at the end of this video, like I said earlier. So this is where you can connect your wallet. When you click on connect, it will show you connect. So when you click on the connect, you are going to connect your choice and connect. So choose the one you have and connect. If you don't have one, just let me know. I will give you one that you can connect, you can register and connect on. So this is how to claim it. Click on this claim, where you are seeing claim. So these two will come here. So you see it's now started mining again, and this one has increased. So like I said earlier, I'm going to show you a withdrawal proof. So you can come here and do some daily tasks if you want to do it, but if you don't want it, you can ignore it. So if you want to see if you withdraw and you want to see your withdrawal history, click here. This place you are seeing, as you can see here, withdrawal record. This one is on February 6, 2026, right? As you can see it,